Hello Kabayan! Let's level up our English speaking skills with these 25 useful phrases. Put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. Mag-seatbelt ka. Do you have work today? Do you have work today? May pasok ka ba ngayon? Take my phone number. Take my phone number. Kunin mo ang number ko. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Pasensya na, hindi ko nakuha yon. I'll bet my life on it. I'll bet my life on it. Ipupusta ko ang buhay ko dyan. I need to pay off my credit card. I need to pay off my credit card. Kailangan kong bayaran ang credit card ko. Please give me some more. Please give me some more. Pahingi pa ako. Give it back to me. Give it back to me. Ibalik mo sa akin yon. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Alam ko kung ano ang gusto mong sabihin. Why did you quit? Why did you quit? Bakit huminto ka? What does this mean? What does this mean? Anong ibig sabihin nito? It's freezing outside. It's freezing outside. Sobrang lamig sa labas. Let's change the subject. Let's change the subject. Iba na lang ang pag-usapan natin. I need more time. I need more time. Kailangan ko pa ng mas mahabang oras. I'm going to fix the leaking faucet. I'm going to fix the leaking faucet. Aayusin ko ang tumatagas na gripo. Do you know Brenda? Do you know Brenda? Kilala mo ba si Brenda? Come here and join us. Come here and join us. Halika rito, sama ka sa amin. Those were his exact words. Those were his exact words. Yun mismo ang sinabi niya. I'm preparing it now. I'm preparing it now. Inihahanda ko na. My stomach still hurts. My stomach still hurts. Masakit pa rin ang tiyan ko. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Huwag mo akong kausapin. Can you do it or not? Can you do it or not? Kaya mo ba o hindi? I need to track my spending. I need to track my spending. Kailangan kong bantayan ang gastos ko. It's really nice. It's really nice. Ang ganda talaga. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Anong gusto mong kainin?